people use you, maybe sometimes knowingly, sometimes unknowingly. But yes, nowadays people using each other for benefits, for advantage. It's like really common, and a lot of people complain and regret later that they were just used and people just took advantage of them. Hi, I am Preeti, and in this video we are going to check some signs that actually tell you that somebody is just using you. Okay, now you will actually have to get in really well with these signs so you can get clearly whether you are being used or not. Okay, so make sure that you watch this entire video till the end to get the entire scoop. Okay, stay tuned. So when you need their help, okay, they may not be available, they may have some good excuses, but at the same time when they need your help, it is expected that you help because you're such a good person. And you are invited to their place. Sometimes they don't even tell you why they are inviting you, and then once you go there, then you realize that they'll say, oh, you do this really well, can you do it for me? Okay, and so that can happen. This can be something that is your talent or something that you do professionally. Okay, you were not prepared for doing that, but once you go there, you just will feel obliged that okay, just because they have called you here, you may have to oblige and just give in to their demand. You will always be taken for granted. Whatever you do will always be taken just as a norm, that okay, that should be happening normally. Okay, like that's your good nature, and something is, it's like you and somebody is supposed to be that good. But sometimes when you see that they are not doing the same thing back for you and you start raising objections, they may label you as a shallow mind. They may label you that you're such a shallow person, you just do this thing for me, and then you keep all of that in mind. You just keep on calculating how much you did, so that one day you can just go and tell in front of everyone, what you have done for me, etc., etc. Sometimes they visit your place, sometimes without permission, and when you back out, when you say that you cannot help at that time, you may be labeled as weird or selfish or too much sophisticated. When you are being used, you are taken full advantage of. They usually don't even acknowledge what you are doing for them. Okay, they just feel it's normal for you, so they never even acknowledge that. Sometimes they actually start praising you. They say that you're such a good person, you're such a helpful person, maybe you helped so much in past, and they would like to give you a treat, or they would like to take you out or something. And once you reach at that place, you actually know that taking you there, having you there with them actually was life-saving for them, which you realized once you reached there. Till then, it was like they were behaving as if they are being thankful to you. They are actually thanking you. They are actually giving you a treat for what you have done for them. Then people may actually praise you. They may flatter you. Maybe they may compare you to a film star, to a movie star, maybe to a movie star that you really like and admire. And just because when you are very, very highly elated, you are very, very highly in a very, very happy state because you are being compared to a film star. That is where they will get the work done that they are expecting from you. And suppose people know that you have money, okay? They know that you have money, or you have certain things that they need from you. They will actually not ask directly. Especially people who are very much giving, who just keep on giving unconditionally, who usually don't ask questions. They are just always in the giving mode. This happens very much with them. Yeah, when you go to somebody, when you visit somebody, they will start talking about the problems they have, the crisis of money they have, the things that they need, but they don't have it. They'll start talking about it. And you will immediately, out of your good nature, you'll immediately just pull out some money and give it to them. You may actually just right away, you may order some things that they actually need, just because you feel that it's their urgent need and they should not be kept devoid of it. Yeah, but they played you really well. They knew that you would do that, which is why they started crying over their problems, over their sorrows in front of you. Okay, you need to stay careful of that. Also, this is one trick that I have seen people doing. Yeah, even big crooked people, they do this trick. That, yeah, they ask a little amount of money, like $10. Okay, so $10 is like really less money, and it's very easy to give it. Okay, it's very easy to give that sum to somebody. Okay, so somebody just asked $10 from you and you give it to them. They'll come the very next day and return it back to you. Okay, they'll return those $10 back to you to create an impression in your mind that if they are borrowing money, they'll give it back as soon as they can. Okay, so now once you got your $10, you have this impression that they have built that they'll return away as soon as possible or the very next day. So then they'll ask for more, like $200 or $500. And you may think, okay, yeah, but they just gave me yesterday. Okay, so not an issue. Maybe you give them $200. Okay, yeah, they needed $200. You gave them $200. Maybe they returned that money again the very next day. So again, yeah, your trust has been built up like the second time. Okay, first it was $10, then it was $200. Now you very well know that if they ask for money, they are going to return it the very next day. Now they'll ask for a big amount, like $10,000 or $30,000. And if you give it to them, maybe you may never see the face of that person again. So yeah, so this is how people actually use you. This is how people take advantage of you. Okay, so I hope that this video helps. I know there are so many different points, there are so many different things you can take into account, but these are the few points that I just felt like sharing today. Okay, so if you have liked this video, hit the like button. Let me know in the comments, how did you like this video? And yes, do share this video with as many people as you can. Okay, so that all of your family and loved ones, they don't get used up, okay, by people. So yeah, so this is it. I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.